Have you ever gone through a job interview but didn't know how to answer professionally in English? Today, I'm going to share 10 interview chunks that neither speaker and employer often hear. These chunks will help you sound more natural, more professional, and more confident. Let's get started. Imagine your interviewer asks, "Can you tell me about the time you did more than what was expected?" This is a perfect time to use this chunk. Go the extra mile. Go the extra mile. Can you repeat after me? Go the extra mile. Go the extra mile means to do more than what people expect. It shows that you are hardworking, responsible, and willing to help others. မြန်မာလိုပြောမယ်ဆိုလို့ရှိရင်တော့ဒီအလုပ်လုပ်တဲ့လူတယောက်ကပေါ့နော်မျှော်လင့်ထားတာထက်ပိုပြီးတော့စူးစမ်းအားထုတ်လုပ်တယ်ဆိုလို့ရှိရင်ဒီ terms လေးကိုသုံးလို့ရပါတယ် Go the extra mile is a verb phrase, so you will need a subject before this chunk. Let's see the example. I always prefer to go the extra mile to ensure customer support issues are solved completely. Another question interviewer often asks is, do you prefer working alone or in a team? If you enjoy working with others, you can use this chunk. I am a team player. A team player means is a person who works well with others, someone who likes to share ideas and support the team. မြန်မာလိုဆိုလို့ရှိရင်တော့အများနဲ့ပူးပေါင်းဆောင်ရွက်တဲ့သူတွေကို a team player လို့ပြောလို့ရပါတယ် It's a noun phrase, so you can use with subject, verb, and this chunk. So let's see the example. As a team player, I enjoy sharing ideas and listening to other college approaches. Today, technology and workplace change very rapidly. Interviewer want the people who like to learn and improve. That's why this chunk is useful. To keep up with. To keep up with. So you can say keep up with. Can you repeat after me? Keep up with. Keep up with me, like stay updated with the new trends, new technology, new industry, or now AI. မြန်မာလိုဆိုလို့ရှိရင်ပေါ့နော်အစ်စ်တွေကိုအမြဲလိုက်မိအောင်စူးစမ်းသင်ယူတာမျိုးပါခေတ်နောက်ကျပြီးကြံနေရမျိုးမဟုတ်ဘဲနဲ့ပေါ့နော်ခေတ်နဲ့အညီသင်ယူလေ့လာတာမျိုး keep up with သုံးလို့ရပါတယ် Keep up with is a phrase above, so if you want to use this chunk, you will need a subject before the chunk. Let's see the example. I always read tech blogs daily to keep up with the latest update in AI software. Many employers look for people who don't make careless mistakes. If you pay attention to small detail, you can describe yourself detail-oriented. Detail-oriented. Can you repeat after me? Detail-oriented. It's mean you work carefully and you noted small but important details. မြန်မာလိုဆိုလို့ရှိရင်ပေါ့နော်အသေးစိတ်ကမှအစားစီစီစစ်စစ်နဲ့တည်တည်ချာချာအလုပ်လုပ်တတ်တဲ့သူဆိုလို့ရှိရင် detail oriented လို့သုံးလို့ရပါတယ် So it's an adjective phrase. So if you want to use this chunk, you can use with like verb to be or other verb. Detail-oriented is the adjective phrase, so you can use with verb to be. So let's see the example. Being detail-oriented helped me detect visual errors before releasing any final design. Finally, almost every interviewer wants to know how you deal with the problem at work. Instead of saying only, I can solve the problem, you can use this chunk. I have strong problem-solving skill. Problem-solving skill. Can you say it? Problem-solving skill. Can you repeat after me? Problem-solving skill. It's mean the ability to understand a problem, think carefully, and find a good solution. မြန်မာလိုဆိုလို့ရှိရင်တော့ဗောနော်ဒီပြဿနာတွေကိုအခက်အခဲတွေကိုဗောနော်တိတိကျကျစဉ်းစားပြီးတော့မှထိထိရောက်ရောက်ဖြေရှင်းနိုင်စွမ်းကို problem solving skill လို့ပြောပါတယ် problem solving skill is a compound noun phrase so if you want to use this chunk you can use with subject verb problem solving skill so let's see the example my strong problem solving skill help me manage client complaint effectively. Let's make a review all the chunks we learned today. I will read first. Go the extra mile. A team player. Keep up with. Detail-oriented. Problem-solving skills. Can you repeat after me? Go the extra mile. A team player. Keep up with. Detail-oriented. Problem-solving skill. Excellent. Today you have learned useful chunk for your interview. Remember, don't memorize these chunks only. Practice and use them in your own interview answer. If you enjoyed today's lesson, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.